Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Amazon finds is probably one of the most exciting places to discover amazing products. Today, we're diving deep into the digital aisles of Amazon to unearth some truly interesting finds. From innovative gadgets that solve everyday problems to quirky items that spark joy, we'll explore a curated selection of products that are sure to pique your interest and maybe even make you rethink your shopping habits. Number 5. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, DEC005AQ. Introducing the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This is the original and most trusted egg cooker. It guarantees perfect eggs, cooked exactly the way you like them, every single time. This cooker can handle up to 6 eggs at once, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. It saves you time and water, and the shells are easy to peel. Cleaning up is a breeze too. It's perfect for anyone with a busy schedule or picky eaters. You can make hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled eggs, and omelets in minutes. All it takes is the push of a button. Weighing only 1 pound, it's ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. Its sleek design and trendy colors will look great in any kitchen. Plus, all the accessories fit inside, saving even more space. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker comes with a poaching tray, omelet tray, egg holder, measuring cup, and a recipe book. All non-electric parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. What we like? This egg cooker offers versatility with various cooking options, perfect for busy mornings. If you have a hectic schedule or picky eaters in your family, this appliance is a game changer. It simplifies meal prep and ensures perfectly cooked eggs every time, making breakfast a breeze. What people say? It perfectly cooks up to 6 eggs at a time, and the automatic shut-off feature is a game changer. It beeps when the eggs are ready, so I can set it and forget it. The included trays make it incredibly easy to make perfect poached eggs and mini omelets with no mess. The directions are straightforward, the device is simple to use, and the results are great. Number 4. Revlon Volcanic Roller for Oily Skin. This roller instantly mattifies and absorbs oil, giving you a shine-free look. It's perfect for keeping your skin looking fresh throughout the day. It removes excess oil without disturbing your makeup. You can maintain a flawless appearance effortlessly with this tool. Use it on clean skin at home or to mattify on the go. Its compact design makes it easy to carry in your purse or bag. Made from real volcanic stone, it quickly banishes shine. Unlike blotting papers, this roller is reusable and washable, making it a more sustainable choice. Need a refill? Swap roller balls quickly and conveniently with the Revlon Facial Roller Refill Pack. No need to buy a new handle. What we like? This face roller instantly mattifies and absorbs oil, keeping your makeup flawless. If you're looking for a quick touch-up on the go, this is your perfect companion. It's reusable, washable, and fits easily in your purse, making it ideal for anyone who wants to maintain a shine-free look throughout the day. What people say? It actually absorbs excess oil without messing up my makeup, and the volcanic surface feels nice on the skin. This roller instantly absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup, leaving my skin matte and fresh. It rolls out the patchy areas. I have never found a product that can actually fix or touch up ruined makeup before. Number 3. Blissford Black Satin Pillowcase 2-Pack. Professional beauticians recommend satin pillowcases for a reason. This pillowcase helps reduce wrinkles and prevents hair tangling. It's a simple way to upgrade your beauty sleep. Enjoy the luxury of a satin pillowcase in any season. It keeps you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The zipper closure ensures your pillow stays secure all night. Made from 100% polyester with a smooth, glossy finish, this pillowcase offers a luxurious feel. It features strong stitching and is wrinkle-free, designed for lasting comfort. Caring for this pillowcase is simple. Just wash it inside out in cold water on a delicate cycle and hang it to dry. With proper care, it will provide years of beauty benefits. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This satin pillowcase is a unique and much appreciated present. It's ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion, perfect for women and teen girls. What we like? This satin pillowcase is designed to reduce hair tangling and wrinkles, promoting healthy skin and hair. If you like to wake up with smooth skin and manageable hair, this pillowcase is a must-have. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who values beauty sleep and wants to wake up feeling refreshed. What people say. These pillowcases are very well made, and they have a nice zipper on the back so it won't slip off the pillow. These are really soft, comfortable, and they look great. It has very good cooling effect. It feels soft and smooth. It doesn't get stains as easily as others. It has zippers which makes sure that it does not slip like silks do. Silk is really good for your face, so I knew I had to get it. It also protects your hair, as you will have less hair falls compared to others. Number 2. Fullstar 11-in-1 Mandoline Slicer. This is the ultimate kitchen gadget from Fullstar. It has everything you need to slice, zest, grate, peel, ribbon, juice, or spiralize. It's an 11-in-1 essential for your home. This vegetable mandoline slicer is easy to disassemble. The blade box makes storage and organization simple. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and includes a cleaning tool, making cleanup a breeze. The stainless steel blades are high quality and razor sharp. It comes with a finger guard and protective glove to keep you safe while using it. The ABS plastic is non-toxic and BPA free. The catch tray makes cooking convenient, eliminating mess. The non-slip base makes slicing and grating easier. It's designed to make your cooking experience better. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this food chopper is a must-have. It's versatile and easy to use. Remember to read the instruction manual before use. What we like. This mandoline slicer offers 11-in-1 versatility for all your kitchen needs. If you are a cooking enthusiast or someone who enjoys preparing fresh meals, this tool will simplify your food preparation. It's safe, easy to clean, and provides a non-slip base for effortless slicing and grating. What people say. Blades are very sharp and easy to use. Plus there are a variety of different blades. This makes slicing vegetables so easy and comes with different sizes to obtain the perfect thickness of your food. Comes with different blades for slicing all veggies. Number 1. National Geographic Jumbo Geodes Earth Science Kit. Discover the wonders hidden within. This kit contains 5 jumbo, uncracked geodes, each waiting to be revealed. It's a thrilling experience for kids of all ages. Inside each geode, you'll find stunning crystal formations. These geodes are as big as tennis balls, offering a truly impressive display. It's a natural treasure hunt. These geodes are completely natural specimens, formed over time. Cracking them open is a hands-on STEM activity that emphasizes fun and discovery. They are truly unique. Showcase your crystals with the included display stands. A magnifying glass helps you examine every detail. It's a perfect way to admire your discoveries. The full-color learning guide teaches you about geode formation. National Geographic makes science fun and educational. It's a gift that keeps on giving. National Geographic provides high-quality, hands-on science toys. They stand behind their products with exceptional service. If you are not satisfied, they will make it right. What we like. This kit provides a fun and educational experience for kids with large, natural geodes to break open. If you are looking for a hands-on STEM activity that sparks curiosity, this kit is perfect. It includes display stands to showcase the crystals, making it a great gift for young explorers. What people say. The kit included everything needed for a fantastic rock-breaking adventure, for rocks to smash and or chisel, clear instructions, protective glasses, and a magnifying glass to examine the treasures within. We're thrilled to discover 3 amazing geodes, each with beautiful, sparkling crystals inside. The set came with a great variety of geodes, and cracking them open felt like a real treasure hunt. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.